Welcome back to the Camping Zone. We review the best camping products to make sure that your trips are epic. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best camping chair for big guys that you can buy today. Finding a camping chair for a large person is extremely difficult. The best camping chairs for big guys really depend on how tall you are, how heavy you are, and how portable you need it to be. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing camping chairs that are comfortable for big guys. These chairs are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best camping chair for big guys, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which ones are in your budget range. Now, let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Folding Chair. This camping chair is a great option and provides maximum comfort and functionality. As the name suggests, it has an oversized design and a well-built alloy steel frame that can easily hold up to 450 pounds. This, along with the 600x 300D padded Oxford fabrics, make the Alpha Camp folding chair extremely sturdy and, perhaps more importantly, very comfortable to sit on. The chair is portable and easily folds, which is a massive help when traveling to your destination. However, it's on the heavier end of the scale, weighing in at a whopping 13 pounds. A hammered tone powder coating prevents corrosion and improves longevity, so this chair will potentially last for years and numerous camping trips. The pros are: it has an impressive capacity, it's a great and comfortable size, it comes with a carry bag, and the chair has inbuilt storage elements. However, it is long when packed. It's also heavy. The Alpha Camp Oversized Camping Chair is a great well-built chair if you don't mind carrying it around. In at number 4 is the REI Co-op Camp Xtra chair. This chair offers the classical camping chair design that is great for the larger person. It has a heavy-duty steel tubing frame and so can support up to 400 pounds. It also has a double layer of 600D ripstop polyester with closed-cell foam padding built in for insulation. And the integrated X-shaped webbing system on the chair evenly distributes weight throughout. This helps to avoid uncomfortable pressure spots, providing extra comfort as you lounge. It also features cup holders on both armrests that are large enough to hold most bottles and cups. The side pocket comes in useful to store your books or other camping equipment. The chair weighs 10 pounds, so is not suitable for backpacking, but is ideal for car camping or trips to the beach. The pros are: it's comfort-focused with an X-shaped webbing system that makes it really comfy. The large gear stashing pocket and 2 cup holders are super convenient. It's built from strong materials for durability. However, it is large and heavy and it might be too big for smaller individuals. The REI Co-op Camp Xtra chair is the best budget camping chair for larger people. The third product on our list is the Cliq camping chair. The Cliq chair is a unique offering in the conventional world of folding camp chairs. Despite its compact size when folded, this chair can support up to 300 pounds. Because it's so sturdy, it does weigh more than some of the ultra-lightweight camping chairs, so it's not quite a backpacking chair, but it's by far the lightest chair on this list. Despite the compact appearance of the Cliq chair, it is surprisingly comfortable. You can easily spend hours relaxing in this chair without any discomfort. It's also really easy to set up. In fact, it only takes 5 seconds to set the chair up, so you can spend less time setting up camp and more time enjoying your trip. The pros are: it's as indestructible as camp chairs come. It has a streamlined setup, which is reduced to a single push of a button. It's a fraction of the size of most folding camp chairs, and it's super sturdy for a 3-legged chair. However, it weighs a lot for how small it is. It's pretty pricey for something that isn't a full-sized camp chair. The Cliq chair is convenient, comfortable, and collapsible. You really can't ask for much more than that in a camp chair. And at number 2 on the list is the STRONGBACK Elite Camping Chair. This large chair will support 300 pounds. It also feels like a big, strong chair, so you will feel secure sitting in the STRONGBACK Elite. The main benefit to this chair is the amazing back support it offers. It has a patented lumbar support to align your back for great posture. This makes the chair super comfortable and even helps to relieve neck tension and relax your body. you'll quickly find yourself nodding off because it's so comfy. The chair weighs 11.9 pounds, and whilst it's not the lightest camping chair, it's not too heavy, especially when you consider how sturdy it is to sit in. The backpack carry bag is helpful and makes it easy to carry across camp, although you won't be able to take this backpacking. The chair material is a heavy-duty polyester 600D wear and tear resistant fabric, so this chair is built to last a long time. The pros are, its comfortable ergonomic design. It has great back support. It's very easy to use. It has a carry bag included. It's a great size, and it's great quality and durable. However, it is long when packed, and it's expensive. If you have a bad back or just want to prevent getting one, and who doesn't, then this chair is a great investment. The best camping chair for big guys is the ALPS Mountaineering Camp Chair. This chair is extremely sturdy and can hold up to 425 pounds, so there's no need to worry that this chair isn't strong enough. They're great chairs for camping because they are roomy, sturdy, and comfortable, which can be rare for a camping chair. One of the best things about this chair is that the seat is high, which makes it easy to get in and out of. With the ALPS Mountaineering Camp Chair, you don't feel like you are sitting in a sling because you have proper armrests and tall back support. The only downside is that it doesn't fold down to be very compact, so you will have to have the space to bring this camping with you. Overall, this chair is great quality and will last you for years. The pros are, it's very comfortable. You'll feel secure in a sturdy chair. It has great armrests. It's very easy to use, and it looks cool. However, it's a bit expensive, but we feel that it's worth it. It's not very compact when packed out. This chair is very strong, the craftsmanship is very high, and it is built to last. So even if it looks a bit pricey, it is worth the investment if you can afford it. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video.
If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.